From a company that was established in 1832 but has made its presence known in pop culture, building a clientele base of A-list celebrities, yet also keeping its prices lower than most of its competitors, comes this men's Longines angle watch, which is gently pre-owned and in very good condition. This vibrant piece features a case, button, and lugs made from stainless steel. The case measures 38 millimeters wide and the orange leather strap uses a tang clasp. Earth rotates 360 degrees every day. The markers on the unidirectional bezel indicate the fact that our planet rotates 1 degree every 4 minutes, or 15 degrees per hour. An automatic movement powers the orange dial with its luminescent steel-toned hour and minute hands, the red second hand, and the date window at 3 o'clock. The blue numerals on the dial count 180 degrees every 12 hours. The silver-toned center of the dial also rotates, indicating the Earth's rate of rotation. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.